That's the whole idea, and you won't get it wrong also.
Because what I was doing in class, I was learning the table.
No, don't do that. Now see, here this is reverse. They'll give you the angle, and you have to solve for the angle. They'll give you the ratio.
The ratio.
Tan theta is √3, and this is in the first quadrant.
We need to find what tan of what is equal to √3.
Yeah, correct.
Right. So
now,
that would be
now
60.
listen. No. That's one of them. You have to think of all silver teacups. All silver teacups. You have to see where this is positive. Where is tan positive?
At third quadrant.
First and third quadrant.
Yeah.
Now the first quadrant answer you'll know from the table.
Yeah.
So what will the first answer be?
Square root of 3.
What is that? What is the angle?
Oh, sorry, 60.
60 degrees. So that means this is 60. If this is 60, this is also 60. Vertically opposite angle.
Yeah.
So what will my other angle be?
Minus 60.
180 plus 60.
180 plus 60.
Because you have to look
because
like, you have to start from
here. 0, 90,
like
180, yeah.
180 plus 60.
Plus 60.
So my two answers are 60 degrees or 240.
Yeah.
These are my two answers.
Wait, so if it's 60 degrees...
Two more solutions are there. So on your calculator, if you do tan 60, you'll get √3.
Yeah.
And if you do tan of 240 also, you'll get √3.
Okay, but so this tan of 60, √3 60, that makes sense. Yeah, that's all fine. But then here, when it's 240, how does this work?
I said no, all silver teacups, no?
All silver teacups.
So tan is positive in the first quadrant and the third quadrant.
And the third quadrant, so you find the other angle, and you find that that's 240.
You find the angle,
Right, okay. Yeah, that makes sense then, okay. You add 180 to that.
180 to
okay, yeah, that's easy then.
Now see here. Now first thing is, what will you do is?
First look at the table.
Now first look at this. Look at the domain.
Yeah.
What's the domain?
It can only be above the x-axis.
Now see, what will I do is? Yeah, correct. So minus 180.
Cannot be.
Minus 180 is this?
Yeah.
This is minus 180. From 0, this is minus 180.
Right.
So this is minus 180. Minus 180 is this. And plus 180 is this.
Yeah.
Are you following that? So this is your minus 180. So it's from year to year. Now you think of being positive. Where's cos positive?
At square root of 2 upon...
Where is cos positive?
Oh, at A and at C.
At C. So at A, you draw like this. Oh, beg your pardon. At A.
Yeah.
And at C.
Yes. Yeah.
Correct? Now you think, what angle is this?
Well, you look at the table and you can see that is called square root of 2 upon 2, right?
That's 1 over root 2, same as that.
Yeah, 1 over root 2. Yeah.
Same thing.
Yeah, yeah.
That's how much?
1 over root 2 is 45. Cos of 45. So this is 45. And then that's also 45.
This would be minus 45.
Minus 45.
Yeah.
360 minus 45.
So x is equal to 45?
Yeah.
Or minus 45?
Or minus 45.
Because you have to go like this, no? I told you, in yellow.
Yeah. Because you can either go...
Because your domain is given.
Yeah.
Because of this domain.
Otherwise, it would be 360 minus 45.
If this was 0 to 360, then you write it as 45 and 315.
Okay, but then you're writing it as minus 45 because you can't go...
Because the domain is like this.
Because the domain. What does this domain restrict again?
It restricts the motion along the specific path.
Only upon... It can only be in A and C. That's it. That's basically what that's saying. Okay.
Like see, now the 0 to 360 means this is a complete circle. Basically.
Complete circle. It can look
so this
anywhere.
we don't know. Okay.
Yeah.
Where's the sign negative?
Sign negative is not at A and S, so everywhere else.
So here and here?
Yeah.
What is my reference angle?
Reference angle?
The sine of which angle is half? Forget the...
45 with 30?
30.
Sorry.
So that means
minus
my
30.
reference angle is 30.
Yeah.
Reference angle can't be negative.
Oh, right. Yeah.
30.
30.
So what is my answer then? What's my theta then? So you start from where?
So you start from
here. Because 0 to 360. So how much is this?
So that's 90, 180, 210.
How do you get 210?
Wait. 90, sorry.
180 plus 30?
180 plus 30,
That's 210 is right, but how did you get it? You didn't
okay. So you look here, 90, 180, and then you plus 30.
Correct. And the other angle?
The other angle you do minus, 180, 360
minus
plus
30.
Oh yeah, minus 30.
360 minus 30.
Minus 30, yeah.
360 completes angle minus 30.
Right, yeah.
Means you do, or you can do 270 plus 60.
Yeah.
But again, don't think in terms of 180 and 360.
Yeah.
So how much more from 180? Or how much less from 360?
Less from 360. Okay.
I think like that.
Makes sense.
So 210.
Yeah.
And this is how much? 330.
330. Okay. I like this, yeah.
Okay.
Now this domain is...
So domain is 0 to 2 pi?
So...
Complete circle.
Yeah, I've dropped this pen 3 times.
0.
Yeah.
Pi, 2 pi.
Yeah.
Correct? Where's your cot negative?
Cot is negative.
Where your tan is negative?
Where's tan negative? Yeah.
So cot is negative. Where tan is negative?
So it would not be at S and C. It would be negative at S and C, right?
S and C. All silver
T cups.
T cups. So you're in here.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yes.
I'm not drawing the circle. I'm just seeing where the position is.
Yeah.
Now what is my reference angle? Cot of which angle is 1?
So I have to find where tan is 1, right? So that 45.
45. Means
So
my reference angle is 45.
Yeah.
45 is pi by 4.
Yeah.
So my reference angle is pi by 4.
Yeah.
Now you tell me what are my answers.
Okay. So, sorry, this was 45, right? So first thing, use the pen.
You see how far
90 plus 45.
No, you don't think in terms of pi. Pi minus pi by 4.
180 minus.
Pi minus pi by 4.
Okay, that works. Yeah, that works.
Acha, and what will this be? 2 pi minus pi
2
by 4.
2 pi minus pi by 4, yeah. Oh wow. So you can also write it like that. But
Yeah.
I don't like
because,
that.
Because
I have to do this.
Because when you do calculus 11, 12, calculus when you do, you have to think in terms of pi. So you have to learn to think in degrees and radians both.
Okay.
Therefore I'm forcing you to do that.
Okay, that's why you didn't let me. Okay.
Because Acha, when they give you the domain in pi, your answer should also be in pi.
Okay.
When they give you in degrees, your answer should also be in
but
degrees.
both are easy, it makes sense.
But gets used
But
to it.
on the summative...
So how much will this be? 4 pi minus pi, 3 pi by 4.
Yeah.
You know I'm taking LCM.
Yeah, because you multiply them by 4.
Yeah.
Yes.
4 2s are 8.
8
7 pi by 4.
1, 4. 5 pi by
7
Oh, because 10 minus, yeah.
4 2s are 8.
Yeah. 8 minus 1 pi. 7 over 4. Yeah. Makes sense.
So get used to the radians also.
Okay.
Because some people, you know what happens is they do in degrees, they can never think in radians. Then you can't change.
I know, as long as you remember that 2 pi radians is 360 and pi radians is 180.
Remember pi is here, 2 pi is here.
Yeah.
And you have to add or subtract for
Yeah,
that.
then it's easy. Yeah. This
Cos theta is minus 1.
minus 1.
Now this is easy. Whenever this minus 1 and 1 are special,
right,
they lie on the circle. So what is this?
1, 0, 0, 1, minus 1, 0, minus
0,
0, minus 1.
So what is your theta then? Where's your cos minus 1?
All C.
Here?
Yeah.
What is that? So what is theta? Pi.
Pi. Oh, right, because it's on the line, right?
It's on the line.
So it's just pi.
That's it.
Okay.
No. Now this is 2 pi. So you have to get your answers only within one circle. Yeah?
Right.
But it's only coming once.
Right. Yeah, only coming once.
Only coming once.
Only coming once. Okay. This one is
Acha, cosec is reciprocal of sine.
Sine. Yeah.
So sine theta is equal to half.
Yep.
Now look at the domain.
It's 180 to minus 180 to 180.
No, minus pi is like this.
Oh, yeah. But if you think in degrees.
Yeah. Correct, you're right.
Yeah.
There's plus pi and there's minus pi.
Okay.
So that means you have to start from here and go there.
Yeah. Or start from there and go like that.
You can't go full circle.
Yeah.
Because of that.
Okay. So if sine.
Now you see where's your sign positive.
Okay.
All
S.
All silver. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
What is my reference angle?
Reference angle is
sine
half.
of which angle?
So half would be sine half is 30.
30. Don't tell me 30. Tell me in radians because this is the radians.
So pi upon 6.
Very good.
Yeah. I'm really
Good,
happy I
good,
remember
good.
that. I don't know how I remember that.
No, pi by 6. 6 3s are 18 now.
Yeah.
Remember
Wait,
6.
30 is pi by 6.
Remember if it's 30 now, 30 into what will give me 180?
30 into what? 6.
So pi by 6.
Pi by 6.
If
If
it's 60 degrees.
What will give 360? 6.
60 degrees, how will you get 180? 16 to what will you?
3.
So pi by 3.
Pi by 3. Also
45 into what will give you 180?
45 into 4.
So pi by 4. 45 is pi by 4.
One thing. He said all you need to remember are these 3 values and you can know the whole thing.
No, that's what we did. No?
So you just need to remember this is 30. This is 45. This is 60.
Correct.
Pi by 3 is 60. Pi over 4.
Correct.
Okay, so I can remember that easily.
So pi by 6. Now, so tell me what is my first answer here?
Yeah.
So you have to hit this from here.
So that would be.
You know this is pi by 6. Basically.
This is pi by 6.
So one answer is pi by 6.
Yeah. One answer is pi by 6. And the next one would be 2 pi.
Pi.
Oh yeah, sorry, because that's the domain.
Pi minus
pi over 6. Yeah. So that'd be 6 pi. Yeah. Yes.
Correct?
Yes. Wow.
So these are my answers.
Okay. Interesting. Understood though.
Good. Now try the same thing using your calculator. Recall that sine inverse of 2 by 3 gives you an angle whose sine is 2 by 3. Okay. So using your graphic calculator, evaluate in degrees they want. So you type in your calculator and get your answer.
Yeah. Of root. Oh, this calculator is nice. It's like 60.
60 degrees, correct? You want in degrees.
And then cos.
Yeah.
Inverse of square root of
2 by 2.
2 divided by 2. You think it will be fine? I just wrote divided by 2 like this.
No.
Because that's in the
square root. You have to go out.
So that's this.
Put a fraction.
Sorry, this. Square root of 3.
Square root of 2 upon
2 upon 2, sorry. 2 upon 2. 45.
Then sine inverse of minus half.
0.5.
Minus 0.5.
Minus 30.
And radians they want.
So I have to change your calculator.
No. You can also do what? You can do this in 60 pi by 6. Minus pi by 6. Yes. So what do? The output is only the acute angle.
It's not the other angle.
It's not the other angle. It will give you
angles.
one angle.
There are always 2 angles in
there will be only 2 angles in one circle.
One circle.
And it's only giving you the with the x-axis.
Above the x-axis.
Above the x-axis or below the x-axis?
Yeah.
Bas. This is below the x-axis. So it's giving you only these answers.
Yeah.
Here and here.
You have to restrict the domain, right?
No, they haven't. The calculator has done that.
Okay. The calculator restricted the domain.
Calculator is restricting the domain between first and fourth quadrant.
Okay.
So all the answers are lying either in the first quadrant or the fourth quadrant.
Okay. Not in the second or third.
Not in the second or third.
Okay.
Okay. That's what a calculator. Recall that a function. Yeah, fine. Chalo, start.
So, find theta in each of the following, rounding your answers to the near tenth of a degree. So, we know that that's 90. So we can do, we can do cos of theta is 6 over 11. So cos inverse.
Theta is equal to cos inverse.
Yeah.
6 over 11.
Cos inverse 6 divided by 11.
56.9.
4, 4, 2, 6.
Tenth, nearest tenth of a degree.
So 0.9.
This is theta.
Yeah. So you can now do tan.
Yeah, tan theta 17 over 6. So theta is equal to tan inverse.
Yeah. 17, which is 70.6. Nice.
So however, for negative trig values, different quadrants have been chosen for the outputs. Different quadrants have been chosen for the outputs. This came from this. Different quadrants are for this negative. They're taking different quadrants in the calculator basically.
You mean like it can only take 1 and 4, right?
So if your A is between -1 and 1, the inverse of sine is only between this and this. Remember that your sine ka inverse, this is the quadrant taken. For sine, which is the quadrant taken? First and fourth.
First and fourth.
Okay. For inverse of cos?
1 and 2.
1 and 2. Cos this is taken. And for tan,
1
again
and
1 and 4.
So why does it do this? Like, what is the meaning of this?
That you have to remember. There's a reason.
You just have to remember that.
There's a reason for inverse to exist, to make it a one-to-one function.
Right. Because it cuts it out or something.
It cuts it out or something.
Yeah.
To make it a one-to-one function to get the inverse.
Right. Because otherwise the horizontal line test won't work. Right?
Yeah, correct.
Okay.
So first and fourth.
Yeah.
This is first and second.
Yeah.
Correct. And this is what? First and fourth.
First and fourth. Yeah.
But here what happens is not here it's equal to minus 19 plus 90. Here it's not equal to minus 19 plus 90. It's excluded because tan 90 is infinity actually.
Yeah.
90 doesn't come. Okay. No calculator now. Come on.
Okay.
So cos means where should you write your answer? Which quadrant? Cos should be
cos
first or
should
second?
be first and second.
First or second.
Yeah.
First. Now because here this cos is positive, so what will your answer be?
So square root of 3 upon 2. I can use a table, correct?
Yes.
So that would be cos of that would be 30 degrees.
30 degrees.
Yeah.
Radians?
Radians would be times pi upon 180. So
Pi by 6.
Pi by 6. Pi by 6.
You don't.
You gave me one more second out of.
Okay. Tan inverse?
Tan inverse.
Which quadrant should your answer be?
1 and 2. No,
1 and 4.
1 and 4.
So tan inverse of 1?
Tan inverse of 1, 45. Which is pi upon 4 minus.
Why minus?
No, sorry, just pi upon 4.
Pi upon 4.
Okay, I'm remembering now.
Now sine inverse of half. Sine will be which quadrant?
Sine would be 1 or 4. And half is, I'm not looking at the table, sine of 30.
30. So minus 30.
Minus 30, yeah.
Or
time pi by 6, minus pi by 6.
Perfect. That's how your calculator will give it.
Yeah.
Because the domain restriction.
Right. Makes sense. Now here.
First or second?
First or second.
So this will be second?
Second, yeah. Let me try and guess what it is. I'm going to say it's cos of 30. Cos of 45.
So reference angle is 45.
Okay.
But you have to take, that's in the first quadrant because it's positive, no? So this is negative. So it's the second quadrant, what will it be?
So now I have to convert this into.
Second quadrant.
So it would be plus 90.
Correct, na?
Yeah. 90 plus 45.
No, 180 minus.
Sorry, 180.
You think in terms of 180 and 360.
180
minus 45.
Yes, 180 minus 45. Sorry.
Acha. Radians?
Radians, that'd be times by pi upon, this would be pi upon 3 pi upon 4.
Listen, for this 1 over root 2 wala na, your angles are pi by 4, 3 pi by 4, 5 pi by 4, 7 pi by 4. In the first quadrant it's pi by 4, second quadrant is 3 pi by 4, that's your 135.
Okay.
5 pi by 4, and that's your 225, 180 plus 45.
Yeah.
And 315 is 7 pi by 4.
These are all your reference 45 degree
45 degree angle.
Okay,
so see which quadrant they are and then you write Sida.
Okay. That's nice.
You can also do 180 and all.
I can just memorize the whole thing.
Yeah.
It's easy.
That becomes easier. Faster it becomes.
Because then I'll be quick,
Yeah.
Okay, so minus 3, that would be.
So first of all, tan inverse is in which quadrant?
1 and 2, 1 and 4.
1 and 4. Now this is negative, so it can be 1.
Yeah. So it
would be 4.
60.
60. So minus 60.
Minus 60.
Because it's in the second,
right.
fourth quadrant.
Or 1
radian?
Radian 2. Oh, times by So this is minus 60. This would be pi by 3.
Perfect.
Minus pi by 3. Yeah.
Sine inverse of 0?
Sine in terms of 0, that's 0.
0, that's it. Only 1. 0 radians, 0 degrees.
Yeah.
Because it's on the surface.
Right.
Sometimes we have to combine these rules for inverse trig function with the formulas for reference angle. Solve for theta. Now look at the thing. 270 to 360. So here.
Yeah.
270 degrees and 360 degrees is my domain.
Okay.
Note, 0.4 is not the value we know on the unit circle. We need to use a calculator. It's not a standard value.
Yeah, we
it's
don't
not
know
what
0.4 is.
So use your calculator and find cos inverse of 0.4.
Because in these values, it's saying cos of 30 is this. But here you don't, there's no 0.4. That's what it's saying, right?
Then you have to use the calculator.
Yeah.
66.4.
Yeah.
That's my reference angle basically. That's my reference angle.
Okay.
Note that the answer A is in first quadrant, while the desired answer is in the fourth quadrant.
Okay.
Correct? Use the reference angle formula to find the fourth quadrant.
So 360 minus 66.4.
Perfect. Perfect.
Okay, very nice.
Because here, as you remember that earlier we wrote the
Yeah.
formula. So how much is that? Do 360 minus answer.
Is it A and S?
Yeah. Hey, you type it, no?
Yeah.
It works, or? Achha.
No, it does not. Oh, it does.
It does.
293.
293.6.
Wait, how do you just do answer?
Then
Enter?
the answer, this is there. I enter you can do. But there's an answer key also, and that calculator is there. I don't know here where the answer is. But you type it in, okay, it comes in, so it works. As long as it works, it works. Okay, welcome. So we'll stop here.
Okay.
There's one sheet left.
Alright.